Welcome to 2minutenglish.com, teaching you English through 2-minute lessons.
In this lesson, you will learn how to ask for things that you want at a hotel.
Hi, this is room number 365.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I have an important meeting scheduled for tomorrow morning. Could I have a wake-up call at 5:30?
Certainly. You'll get your wake-up call at 5:30 in the morning. Anything else I can help you with?
I'd like to get some coffee at 5:45.
All right. Is that all?
Yeah, that'll be all for now.
Can you call a taxi for me tomorrow morning?
We surely can. Where do you want to go?
I have a meeting at 7 at Boulevard Cafe. I hope it's nearby.
Yes, it's just a 15-minute drive from the hotel.
Then I guess 6:30 would be fine. Book the taxi for 6:30 in the morning, please.
All right, the booking will be made then.
Thank you. And please make sure the taxi arrives by 6:30 so there's no delay.
Oh, don't worry. We'll take care of that.
Hello, could you please send someone to pick up my laundry?
Sure. Do you want me to send the laundry staff right now or later?
Well, I'm leaving for sightseeing in half an hour, so it would be better if you send someone before that.
Sure, sir.
Good. When can I expect to get these clothes back? We're leaving the day after tomorrow.
It usually takes a day, but you can ask the laundry staff for a better estimate.
All right, thank you.
Front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm in room 563. Would you mind sending someone over to clean the room?
Sure. Would you like to get it cleaned now or at a specific time?
Actually, we're leaving in about 10 minutes, so it'd be better to send someone after that.
All right. Is there anything else I may help you with?
No, that'll be all. Thank you.
Could I have a wake-up call at 5:30? I'd like to get some coffee at 5:45.
Can you call a taxi for me tomorrow morning? Book the taxi for 6:30 in the morning, please.
Could you please send someone to pick up my laundry? When can I expect to get these clothes back?
Would you mind sending someone over to clean the room?